Okay, we got this awesome immersion blender. We just wanted to make things faster, and I wanted to show you how to make a quick smoothie, protein smoothie with berries and protein powder. And put in a little bit more milk. So this comes with a regular speed and then turbo speed. We're just going to try the regular speed first. Look at that, turn a nice red. Turn it right into a fruit smoothie. How awesome is that? One little cup and you're good to go if you just wanted a cup. I love it. But it also comes with two different attachments, a frother and then an egg beater. And I just want to show you, if you want to just beat an egg really quick, look at this. Whoa, I used turbo by mistake. Don't use turbo in a cup. But look at that.
Whipped, yeah.
Yep, it does it so fast. And really, the only thing that you have to wash is this little thing. So, super easy. Gets it done fast. Maybe use a bigger container. I just wanted you to be able to see through the cute glass. But works really well. It comes with 3 different attachments. You can wash it right away. Easy cleanup and ready to use for the next time.